Hi, I'm Dorothy Somekh with Brown Harris Stevens, and welcome to 322 West 57th Street, the Sheffield. This beautiful building is the ideal place to live, situated in the center of it all. A block away from Central Park and Columbus Circle, Lincoln Center is just a few blocks north, and the theater district is a few blocks south. The building amenities are unmatched. Enjoy swimming in the heated year-round pool or recline in one of the two luxurious lounges with panoramic south, west, and north views. Take one of our many fitness classes or use weights in the gymnasium and yoga studio. The 24,000 square foot rooftop space occupies 2 floors and includes a sauna and steam in each locker room, in addition to a children's playroom. All amenities are free, plus a garage, bike room, and cold storage. I invite you to experience the Sheffield in person. I'm Dorothy Somekh with Brown Harris Stevens, and I look forward to seeing you soon.